All right, we got another vocabulary question. So I can tell it's a vocabulary question because they all ask which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase. So I know I'm going to go ahead and read the passage and in this blank annotate what I think could go inside of it. So research conducted by planetary scientist Katarina suggests the moon's surface may not accurately blank early impact events. For this sentence, I don't think there's enough context there to confidently put a word into the blank, so I'm going to go ahead and read on. When the moon was still forming, its surface was softer. An asteroid or meteoroid impacts would have left less of an impression. Okay, less of an impression is the effect. Let me highlight that. Thus, evidence of early impacts may no longer be present. All right, I think this is important context. Okay, so we're talking about the early impact events on the moon, and the context around it is saying, hey, so this would have left less of an impression because the surface was softer, and we're not able to see the impacts anymore. So, with the verb or adjective that's going here, moon surface may not accurately, I would just say show early impact events, because it's saying it would have left less of an impression, thus evidence of early impacts is no longer present. So I think a word like show would go into the blank. And so I'm going to take my annotation and compare it to the answer choices available. Let me move it down here. So let's compare it to reflect. With moon's surface may not accurately reflect early impacts. Okay, I think that's pretty similar to show. So I'm going to click A, but let's take a look at the rest of the answer choices. It would receive early impact events. Well, it never said that the early impact events never happened. They just left less of an impression. So B is not correct. The moon's surface may not accurately evaluate early impact events. I'm not sure how the moon's surface evaluates impact events. So I don't think it's going to be C either. And then mimic early impact events. No, it's not going to mimic them because the moon's surface cannot recreate early impact events. So I think A is the correct answer choice for this question.